Oye, oye. Ajay, me not call about this. No, I said me not call about this. Get on the phone. Supposed to.
Championship where we have Tru Jucie versus Racing versus Tru Jucie at the Spanish Town Prison Oval Sports Complex. Very interesting one for the Tru Jucie Football Club. We have the starting lineup here. We have Jonathan Campbell in goal, Captain Sivian Thompson, Deshanil Russell, Ty Wedderburn, Kadir Parker, Tahir Lawrence, Conroy Rose, Shaquille Notice, Deshaun Henry, Dwight McKenzie. That is the starting lineup for the Tru Jucie Football Club. Let's go over to the Racing United starting lineup. In goal we have Cheeky Swearing, we have Noel Walker, Nikai Ellis, Rajneel Brown, Romaine Walters, DeAndre Johnson, Dijon Grant, Damian Clark, or Diamond Clark, my apologies, Lafayette Matthias, Anton Rule, and Kilo Valentine. Those are the starting lineups for today's matchup between Tru Jucie FC and Racing United. Definitely an encounter that many have anticipated. top of the table clash, first versus second. Which direction will this one go? It's a bit heavy where the wind is concerned here. Windy conditions. Fixtures going on. Let me just give you a brief update on the other games that will be kicking off momentarily. This is already set to be an emphatic encounter. We have Grades Inn versus Reno, Baptist Alliance versus Falmouth, St. Bess versus Chapton, Medford versus Brownstown, Falkland versus Portlanders, and Petersfield versus Hopewell. So those are some of the other fixtures in line for the 3 p.m. kickoff. As we stand here to see the kickoff between Tru Jucie and Racing United. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. You're watching her live on MG Sports TV. Interesting encounter. And we are off, as they would say, top of the table clash. Tru Jucie in possession. Let's see what we have here early. Here comes Racing, early out, straight across the palm of Jonathan Campbell. Early start here. Feisty start from the Racing United, the home team. Just seconds in, and we already have a shot on target. Tru Jucie is known for withholding of some good possession. Back to the goalkeeper, Jonathan Campbell, getting him involved, tie, whatever or not. Campbell goes across to Kadir. Goes long, and that was a bit more hopeful than anything else. Here comes Racing again. High intensity early out from the Racing team. Racing with a free kick out on the wide left back position. Noel Walker whiffs that one in. That's a good delivery. Campbell comes and claim nicely. Here comes Ellis. That's a nice pass. Here comes Joel. It's cold. Oh. Takes his eyes off the ball just momentarily and loses out on it. Giving it again. Nice work from Deshaun Henry. Goes out wide to find whatever. Sivion. Goes out wide to find Kadiri. Did well there. Early throw here. Here comes Racing United again. Back at it. Nice interception there from Henry. We are up for a very, very good matchup. Two of the best teams in the competition. throw in here to Racing United as they add on a bit more pressure onto the Tru Jucie team. Nice flick pass right there. The rule goes out clearance here by Ty Wedderburn. Corner here to the Race United team to be taken by Nikhil Ellis. Whip that one in. That's not a bad delivery. Chance here from Cole. And Campbell couldn't keep it in. And Campbell seems to be hopping. Whipped in again, but that's another beautiful delivery from Ellis. Goes to the back post. A chance here. Goes out wide. Here comes Tru Jucie now. Nice work there. Gets away from one. Tuck back. Nice work. Really, really good work there from Mackenzie. Nice ball. Here comes Henry. Tahir Dixon. Tahir Lawrence, my apologies. That's a bad chance. Deschanel. Nice pass here. Trying to find back Deschanel inside. And that's, referee. Here comes Racing on the counter. Bit aggressive there from the centre back period of the Tru Jucie team. Early throw here by Swearing. Goes inside. Johnson. Goes down the flank. Walker. Powerful. Booted out. Nicely attempted by Mackenzie. Couldn't kept the one in. As he goes off for a corner to Racing. It's all Racing so far. The intensity so far, Tru Jucie is a bit yet to match up to the intensity of Racing. It's a really good start, I think. As we're just 6 minutes in, 7 minutes in rather, and a lot of action. That's a poor delivery there by Ellis. Henry to take this one up. He's quick. A lot of pace. Oh, gets rid of his man as he beats Walker. Here comes Mackenzie. Nice work. Defensive duty by Grant. Walker now playing a more of a central midfield role in the deep line area. Grant goes to Swearing. Walters was been really, really good so far for Racing this season. Here comes Johnson. Oh, as he goes down. Thompson. Nice work there. Kadiri. Parker. Campbell. Wedderburn. Thompson. Back to Wedderburn. Nice bit of possession here from Tru Jucie. Rose couldn't get that one down the line. Tru Juice kind of holding possession quite nicely. Here comes Racing again in possession. Racing has a really high line. Goes out wide. Take a little bit too long on the ball right there. Rule. As Henry. Thompson gives away that one. Straight in the palm. Chance here for Ellis. Defensive duty there as Tru Jucie is on a bit of pressure. Foul there, referee deemed that an infringement on Conroy Rose. Free kick to Tru Juice as Notice stands over it, goes out wide to find Parker. Parker lifts up for support, goes inside. Nice work from McKenzie. Thompson. It's a heavy battle in the midfield. Nice pass there from Johnson. Oh, that's poor from the Tru Juice defenders as they gather themselves back. Here comes Notice, looking for support, giving away in the midfield. Walker trying to find Johnson. Wedderburn clears that one. Notice. Nice way of beating the press. Here comes Henry. He's very fast. Dangerous player. Heidel. Nice work there in the defenders. Giving away easy by Matthias. Here comes Notice. Goes across. Oh, Conroy couldn't go on to that one. Straight back to Campbell. Tru Juice seems to be settling into the game now as they retain some possession and move the ball around nicely. Here comes Thompson. Giving away easy. Here comes Johnson. Ellis goes across. Clark. And it goes out of play for a goal kick. Here comes Tru Juice now. Mackenzie, referee said nothing there. Goes out wide, clearance. Walter's been really aggressive in the midfield, coming high up the midfield to tackle. Swearing has the ball as they try to take the thing out of the game. As Tru Juice trying to retain some composure, unfortunately. Oh, poor distribution there from the goalkeeper. Apparently was aiming at the commentary box. But he even missed that one as well. Throwing to be taken by Tyre Lawrence. Youngster from Jamaica College. Goes inside. Nice work. Conroy Rose. Fine. Sivion. Rose again. Goes out wide. Referee said that's a harsh tackle. Really dangerous tackle from Grant. And he receives the first booking of the game. As Tru Juice just find a bit of momentum. Tyre Lawrence stands over this one. Has a wonderful left foot. Not wonderful, but wonder of a left foot. Really good delivery in him. Set pieces, corner, free kick. Yeah, he has it all. Let's see what he does with this one. Take a shot. Giving away, Notice. Parker swings it wide. Back to Lawrence. Lawrence still in possession. Support is here from Wedderburn. Notice. Lawrence. Lawrence goes straight back to Parker. Here comes Tru Juice now. actually holding some really good possession. Nice bit of play here from Tru Juice. Trying to beat that press right there, first set of infringement. I think that's Cole out there. Javon Cole. My apologies. Originally Brown. Set piece here for Racing. As Jonathan Campbell sets his wall. Noel Walker stands over this one. He has a good delivery in his foot. Whips it in. Good delivery. Oh, beautiful save from Jonathan Campbell. Tipped over the bar as danger looms for a minute there. Ellis goes across to take the next set piece. As the intensity of the game technically toned down. Delivery here from Ellis. Whipped inside to the back post. Too much on that one. Not the best of delivery. Clearance by the Tru Juice centre back. Ty Wedderburn. Throw inside. Switch up play. Nice play there. Nicely taken. Goes around. Here's a chance. And hit that one. And just perfect in time there was Parker. Rule had time there to just put the ball on the other foot. Cut inside. But they still receive a corner from that one. Ellis with this one in. That's a good delivery. Straight into the palm of Campbell. Campbell goes long. Here comes Tru Juice now. Goes out wide and is taken down his stride. And referee said infringement there. I think that might be a caution. He's going to get a warning. And that's the final warning because he already received a yellow card. Maybe a bit of leniency shown there. Quite fortunate to still be on the pitch, I would say. Nevertheless, I think he would have learned from that one. Let's see. So far, he has been playing as if he's on the edge. Here comes Tru Juice now. Possession goes out wide to notice. The Wedderburn. Rule, not that one out. Nice work, Ellis. Nice work from Ellis. Switch up play here. As Parker knocked that one out. Not taking any prisoners. Walters. Looks for support. Whip that one in. Johnson. And referee said a little bit too aggressive from Wedderburn. Walker, whip that one to the back post. Wonderful delivery. Oh, and the referee said the infringement there. That was really close though. As Ellis get in behind the defender. Put his body behind the ball, I think it was. Russell, additionally Russell. Goes across. Goes inside. Nice touch here from Henry. Unfortunately. Couldn't keep it in. Nice work from the fullback. The team. Chip over the top. And Ty Wedderburn intercepted that one. Throw to Racing United. Throw inside. Noel. Mackenzie. Oh, taken away there from him. I think so far, even though Tru Jucie has a bit more of the possession, the more dangerous play will have fall at the feet of the Racing United team. Really and truly, Tru Jucie haven't necessarily tested the defenders, put them under any much pressure like we have seen from the Racing United team. Clearance here from Russell. Whipped to the back post. That's a chance. And it takes it on the off volley. Clark. He had time there actually. He had a bit of time there. Not sure why he opted to do that. Time there actually. Had a bit of time there. Not sure why. Switch from here. It's a pass inside trying to find Clark. As Wedderburn goes back to Campbell. Campbell goes across to find Parker. He has support out there. Goes out to the flank. Nice 1-2 passes here from Tru Jucie intercepted. Here comes Racing. That looks dangerous. The referee said nothing in that one. That's a nice work here. Here comes Henry. Here comes Henry, and the referee said foul. He lock onto that ball. Rule. Thompson stands over his captain. Goes out wide. Lawrence with a delivery. Up to the back post, and unfortunately, delivery was not good enough. Here comes Tru Jucie now. Finally in the final third. Giving away. Johnson, nice pass out wide, unfortunately. It's a bit too heavy. The intent was good. The intent was clear also. Parker. Notice. Goes out wide to find Wedderburn. Wedderburn has support there in Lawrence. Lawrence goes over the top. Try to find Mackenzie. Here comes racing again. Johnson. Really good player. Goes inside to find Walker. Every touch from Walker. Not every touch here. Down the line, trying to find get Mackenzie involved. A bit too heavy on that one. It's mostly even so far. Even contested game. None of the teams have yet to really created a dangerous chance to say that would be separating the teams. Notice as he takes that one away from Ellis. Goes out wide, another heavy pass again from Goldburn. Inside. Nice turn and deliver and pass from Valentine and kept in. Well, Brown didn't keep that one, he tried to keep it in. Touch was a little bit too heavy. Finds notice, whatever. Notice in possession. Goes inside. Goldburn. Goes to Parker, out wide. Inside. Nice pass there. As Rose. Here comes Tru Jucie now. Opportunity. Time and space. Gets away from Henry. That was unfortunate as it goes down. Here comes racing now. Chance here for racing. Every touch here. And the goalkeeper takes him out. Nothing there. And the referee said nothing in that one. What happened here? I have no clue what happened here. That was really a strange one. Very, very interesting. I have no clue what happened here. That was really a strange one. Down and really interesting occurrence right there, I have to say. start play here. Supporters are really disgruntled with the referee because they strongly believe that that was a penalty. I didn't see much of the Race United players claiming that one also. Not a lot of appeal for that one. So you can say that the referee was spot on with that call. Here comes Henry now again, trying to redeem himself. Should have definitely scored that one. Nice work there from Matthias. Brown couldn't take that one. Matthias again. Ellis goes around two. And the referee said use of hand was a bit too aggressive there. As Sivian Thompson goes down, holding on, clutching onto his face. Parker stands over it. Campbell said should leave that one. Goalkeeper Jonathan Campbell to deliver this one. Goes long. Goes straight to the goalkeeper, from one goalkeeper to the next. Grant. Over the top. Trying to find Clark. Clark to Rule. Rule trying to get Johnson in. As Parker was in a good position, unfortunately didn't handle that one well. Lawrence. Oh, nothing in that one. Clark. Johnson. Goes across. Chance here. Johnson with a shot. And it's a goal. Unfortunately, oh my word. That was close. That was extremely close. That was really close. You have to ask, how did that one did not end it in the back of the net? How did that not fall in the back of the net? Tru Jucie would have definitely gotten away with one right there. Oh, here comes racing again. Errors from the defenders. Goes across the box. And it's Nicole Ellis with that one. Beautiful Ella. Mistake there from the Tru Jucie Football Club defense. And Nicole Ellis just capitalized on it with a wonderful finish. Brilliant finish from Ellis. It is now Racing United 1, Tru Jucie FC 0. That was a really good taken goal. Tru Jucie Football Club defense, and Nicole Ellis just capitalized on it. As Racing now takes the lead at home in the driving seat. Now looking for a reply from the Tru Jucie football team. Will they? Can they? The question is how. Long ball over the top. Dealt it by Walters easily. And Swearing takes that one nicely. Swearing boots that one down. Deschanel dealt with that one easily. Long throw. Russell again. Down the line again. Still Russell. Ellis. Johnson. Back to Ellis. Here comes Walker. Oh, that's a poor touch from Walker. Lawrence finds Ellis. Here comes Walker with a whipper to the back post. Dealt with by Parker. Russell takes that one. It's Henry, my apologies. Rule goes inside. Johnson. A lot of movement from Johnson. Rule again. Trying to go inside. Lawrence made the first tackle. Rule still in possession. Goes across the goal. And here comes to the back post. And it's a beautiful work there. Wonderful finish from Brown. As he goes across, he takes that one. And it's now Racing United putting Tru Juice to the sword in serious fashion. As Tru Juice looked deflated, defeated, and humbled, faces down. As Racing doubles their lead. It is Racing United 2, Tru Juice FC 0. Jonathan Campbell in goal. Extremely upset. As we kickstart the second half. Well, the first half, actually. My apologies. We're approaching the second half. Racing United in comfortable position. Here comes Racing United again. Feeling the flow. Pass outside. He's in. Campbell comes to fetch. Oh, nice work. Racing United smells blood, and they are going for it, going for the juggler. This is their fiercest opponent, and they are handling the situation like this. Tru Juice actually is yet to have a shot on target. I've only recorded around 2 shots at goal. Those are 2 shots from way out, where one was blocked and one was wide. Here comes Tru Juice now. Poor delivery. Notice. Looking for support. Goes out wide. Find Russell. Russell goes inside. Rose. Nice work from Rose. Russell in possession again. Russell taken down, and the referee said that is a foul. Really good first half display so far from Racing United. Dominant, showing the presence of who's at home. Free kick here to Tru Juice. Mackenzie stands over it. Can he make it count? Tahir Lawrence is also there. Maybe looking for the playoff. Up inside. That's a nice try. Fortunately, just a little bit too high. Confidence is now brewing through the Racing United team. They know what's at stake here. They knew exactly where they fall short last season. It seems like this season, they're most definitely trying to fix those errors. As they 2 goals now, leading Tru Jucie FC, one of their closest competitors, to advance this season. Sivian, Thompson, notice, looking for support, finds Wedderburn, Lawrence, goes out long. Straight to the goalkeeper, swearing. Here comes Henry. Support is there. Finds Rose. Oh, it's Daman. Oh, nice work here. Here comes Notice. Goes wide to Lawrence. Lawrence goes back. Goes out wide. Nice work. Here comes Rose. Goes inside. Ooh. Hard tackle right there. 2 number 10s. And a clearance here as the Racing United team is working overtime. Cross inside box. No one is here to attack it. Here comes Johnson. Nice pass. Clark, good touch. Good touch from Clark. Thompson. Stick, try to take the thing out of the game. Parker. Oh, straight out of play from Parker. Tru Jucie looking nervous. Still rattled after that second goal. Nice bit of play here from Rule. Trying to get Noel in. Oh, my apologies, Walker, I should say, rather. Rose. Henry, out wide. Back to Rose. As Rose, it's a tricky there. Unfortunately, his team is losing. That doesn't necessarily help out. That's a nice delivery. And referee said Mackenzie is offside. The defenders left him in that one. Grant stands over this one. Boot that one long. Straight on to Russell. Nice work there from Goldburn. Goes out wide. Here comes Henry. Goes inside. Nice touch. Goldburn again. Notice. Taking a bit long with the ball right there. Notice going inside. Thompson. Goldburn. Goes back. Goldburn again. And that was really, really poor from Goldburn. Looking to blame someone, unfortunately. I think he has to take that on himself. Early substitution here from the Tru Jucie team. Nice touch there from Johnson. Rule. Clark is on there for support. Nice pass here. Here comes Clark. In behind. Clark goes across. As Wedderburn comes to clean up on that one. Bit of miscommunication there from the Tru Jucie FC defenders. Delivery there from Rule. Jump. Oh my word! Nice attempt there. Referee said that's an infringement. That would have looked good for the camera. Definitely have to clip that one up, huh? Referee said 1 minute to be added. Not sure if Tru Jucie can get 2 goals in a minute. They struggle for 45 to get even a shot. Definitely not the start that I believe Tru Jucie want. If you're just joining, right there, Prison Nova Sports Complex, home of the Racing United team, as they face up with one of their closest competitors, Tru Jucie FC. At this present moment, they are most certainly dominant in this matchup. Referee said that is it. It's half time. It is Racing United 2, Tru Jucie FC 0. Really, really interesting first half of football. Definitely one that Tru Jucie would want to wipe out of their memory as fast as possible. Let's see what can happen for the second half. If you're just joining us, people, it is half time at the Spanish Town Sports Complex, Prison Oval. Watch the live stream here on MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. Live stream brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. Stay tuned as we rejoin you for the second half.
You look so weird.
Oh, come here.
You look nerve.
Go on, good enough. We're back with the second half for this matchup. Certainly, the encounter a lot of persons have been waiting for, and we are about to kick off. I haven't gotten the score updates as yet, but definitely should be an interesting one. As a few changes have been made. Former player of Tru Jucie came on for Racing Bashko. Referee looks at his clock. And as we kick off the second half, okay, here comes Basco. Well, Basco beats one, goes inside the box. That's a good delivery. Wonderful work there by the goalkeeper. Beautiful work from the goalkeeper, Campbell. Nice bit of play here from Racing. This is definitely an emphatic encounter. Here comes Tru Jucie. As Tru Jucie looks to get back on the driving seat, but unfortunately it's a quick start from the Racing United team. Really quick start from the Racing United team actually. As Wedderburn sets the ball, stands over it. Russell whipped inside to the back post. Actually a good delivery. No one gamble on it. Back heel from Henry. Brown. Here, 2v1. Racing United again. In ascendancy. Nice work from Brown as he taken out by Notice. Here comes Racing again. Gets behind him. Referee said. Infringement here. Rose. Fine, Mackenzie has taken down. Interesting to see Michael Mills, centre back for Tru Jucie. I thought that he would have rested football now, but he's still going actually. Bringing a bit of experience to the defense line of the Tru Jucie team. Rose with that one in. That's a good delivery. And not either there. Oh, good defensive work there from Racing. As Tru Jucie looms, pushes forward, finds something from this one. Russell whips that one in. That's a good delivery. Didn't take that one nicely. Swearing goes up for that one and take it nicely. Dealt it nicely by Lawrence. Lawrence still in possession. Notice, goes inside. Oh, giving away here. Booted wide. Here comes Basco. Nice touch from Basco. Good first touch. Unfortunately, Russell is there to shepherd it out. Russell was there to shepherd it out. Nice defensive work. Mills. Campbell too. Mills, Michael Mills. Pushes his team up, over the top. Trying to find Henry. Not that, oh, to Mackenzie. Here comes Mackenzie now. Mackenzie to the byline. Goes inside, whip that one in. Racing defense is doing a lot of work there. A bit of confusion between centre backs. Is this pressure added on? Racing again. Under a bit of pressure. As Tru Juice pushes forward. Nice work there from Ellis. Goes on, finds Brown. Ah, nice work from Mills. Makes it look really, really easy, actually. Oh, rule panic. A bit of panic here from the Race United defense line. Here comes shot there from Rose. Valentine pulling forward, goes over the top. Nice pass from Valentine. Mills as he knocks that one out of the facility. Not very mobile, but reads the game real well. Throw in here for the racing team. They're going to take their time. They're in the driving seat now, and they want to take the tempo of the thing out of the game. It's a good entrance to the second half from the Tru Juice team. Good entrance, but we'll see if they can maintain the intensity. Campbell boots it down, lobs in the air. Oh, nice work from Campbell. Snatch it off the head of Caden Young. Here comes Richards. Richards. Quite a frisky player. Still intending to hurt the commentary. Technical area. What reason I don't know. Young, Caden Young, frisky player, just 17 years old. Shot way out and that goes out. And they went over to the prison. Notice that one went over. I don't think they're going to get that back. Here comes Mills. Over the top in the dangerous area. Oh, here comes racing again. Basco as it's pulled down by Thompson. Basco sets the lock. It's just as he's about to hit that rocket. He'll stop back. Here's a nice work here by Ellis. Wonderful run from Ellis. Brilliant run from Ellis. As Ellis seems to picked up a serious injury here. Still haven't gotten up off the floor as yet. Rolling around, seems to be in a bit of pain. It was a real good try from Ellis though. Interesting follow through. Got a flush kick on the ball, unfortunately couldn't keep it down. Goes to the side to receive treatment. Oh, giving away there. Tru Jucie still adding a bit of pressure here under the racing team. Racing press though, trying to get Tru Jucie a bit more comfortable. Here comes Basco. Chance here, Johnson sets a lock, finds Young. Young goes to the goal, and not much power in that one. Campbell goes across to find Mills. Back to Mills. Conroy. Rose. Russell. Put it down here by Mills. Mackenzie's there. Here comes Johnson now. Games that get a bit physical here. Notice. Fine Rose. Here comes Wedderburn. Goes out. Trying to find Russell. Pass wasn't good enough. Richards. Confusion there. Here comes Basco. Goes out wide. To Rule. Valentine. Oh, giving away easily. Russell. The intent was there. Execution was poor. Execution was really poor there. Here comes Notice. Goes right across to Mills. Campbell claims that one. Back to Mills. Goes out wide to find Russell. Inside, Richards. Here comes Rose. Tru Jucie looking a lot better in the second half. Shot off the half volley. Henry still there. Kept in. And a poor delivery there from Small. But just joining us, people, we are at the Prison Oval Sports Complex in Spanish Town. You're watching the Jamaica Football Championship, match day 7. Tuning in live here at MG Sports TV with your commentator, Mario Dakers. Live stream brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. Another substitution here from Tru Jucie as they replace Captain Thompson, Sivian Thompson. Chance here for Headman. Tru Jucie again. Whipped inside. That's a good delivery. No one there. Nicely taken from the goalkeeper. That looks beautiful. Valentine goes out wide to Brown. And referee deemed that one a little bit too aggressive there. Russell is on the floor in a bit of pain. Referee said nothing doing there. Just check on him. He's okay. Henry, Headman, goes down the line, trying to find Rose. And referee said the ball is out. 60 minutes, we have gone over an hour now, and Tru just looking for the reply. Still can't find the reply, but they're searching though. I definitely would have thought that would have had a bigger support here in the nature of the game and the rivalry between these two teams. And these are two of the teams who has a real good support base. One Spanish Town team and one Lindsay team, so really close proximity to where the support base is at. So they definitely expect that to see the fans turning up for this one. Headman. Richards. Take it away. Easily. Here comes Headman. Nice work from Headman, showing a bit of strength there. Referee said the other way. It's quite interesting. Very, very interesting right there, I have to say. The environment is tense. On the pitch is tense. Heated encounter, I have to say. It's a nice ball. Here comes Brown. Every touch here. Here comes Caden Young, 17 years old. Playing for St. Catch United. Racing since he was 15 years old. Nice work from Young as he beats two. Whips it in. Chance here. Johnson with a shot. Solid kick. Unfortunately, couldn't hold that one down. Brilliant bit of football here from the Racing United team. Link up play nicely. Individual brilliance from the youngster. And off the volley, shot right there. Tru Jucie really need to find something here. Rose goes out wide. Here's Russell, pass inside. Nice work there from Rose. Down the line. Giving away there by Russell. Nice flick there. Here comes Brown now. Lifts it up. Nice pass, Young. Trickery. He's very skilled. He's very tricky. Nice work there from Young. Here comes Tru Jucie now. As the tempo of the game steps up. Rose goes out wide. Inside. Nice work. Richards. Pass around. Here comes Henry. And the goalkeeper takes that one nicely. Back again. Basco. Not easing down. Ellis. Flip to Basco. Basco still in possession. Brown is here for support. Basco turns. Nice work. Goes inside. Nice work. Here comes Ellis. Lifts his head up. Goes out wide. And he's taken out. Referee said nothing there. This is very interesting. As the game heats up, the support goes well. Players on the floor. Very, very interesting encounter here. Racing United 2, Tru Jucie 0. Very, very fiery encounter. This is a better Tru Jucie than what we saw of the first half. High intensity, matching the tempo of the Racing United team. Racing United not allowing their lead to slip. They know the importance of this. They have been here last season against the same Tru Jucie team, and they won't allow history to repeat itself. Substitution here for Tru Jucie as Richards is off. And Romario Taylor is on. Substitution here for Racing. As you see, Javon Cole making his way on the pitch. And we know his work rate and his goal scoring attribute. Very, very deadly in front of goal. Mills, can you hold that one in? Nice work from Mills, actually. Williams also on. Kyle Williams, Javon Cole. These are some heavy powered substitution coming off the bench for Racing. Nice work. Here comes Williams. First contribution of the game. Johnson. Williams. Playing the ball around. Here comes Ellis. Nice work there. Oh my word, that is really, really dangerous. And the referee said he will not have that one. He won't tolerate it. As Ramon Small, coming off the bench, seizes a red card. The referee did not like what he saw. Young is in some pain. Kaden Young is still on the floor, receiving treatment. He is one of the young prodigies from Racing, a player that they have been taking care of for a long time now. The supporters are disgruntled about that red card. Williams stands over it. Ellis chips inside as Johnson goes in for that one and goes off for a corner. comes Basco. Young, as it goes inside. Oh my word. Interesting. He's causing a lot of problems though. He's definitely causing him a lot of problems since he came on. Here comes Tru Juice now. Nice work. Taylor. Rose. Chip inside. Valentine. Oh, it's Matthias. Basco. As heavily. Very good matchup, this I have to say. Really good matchup. "70 minutes of football." The second half has been a lot, despite the 2 goals in the first half, the second half has definitely been a lot better. Where both teams matching up to each other, matching intensity. Taken quickly. Basco. Johnson. Cole. Nice pass here. Cole with a shot and stopped by Jonathan Campbell at the front post. As they really try to creep that one in. Hey, it's quite interesting. Basco with a set piece to the back post. Nicely delivered, and it is taken nicely. Well done. Beautifully taken. Wonderful. Brilliant set piece from Basco. As the Williams, Mikhail Williams' contribution to this one is a goal. As Racing steps the pressure up in this 2024 Jamaica 2023-2024 Jamaica Football Championship. They lead Tru Jucie FC 3-0 at home, and they lead also the table, cementing their spot at the top of the table. Clearance here. Very, very aggressive game. The coach of or the managers of the Tru Jucie team is furious, and referee halts play to go over to have a word. Jordan, I know about action. Away action there for your fella. When am I check if him? Referee is checking to see if his name is on the match card. And if I wouldn't be surprised if a card is handed. So we restart play here. referee. He was gonna throw the ball back, drop ball, I think. Camber. Oh, that's not good there. Here comes Basco now. Nice first touch from Basco. 1-2 pass here. As Basco try getting behind Mills. Lovely link up between Basco and Johnson. They definitely have seen it before. They really enjoy playing with each other. Out wide. Here comes Tru Jucie now. Switch of play to find Rose, unfortunately. A bit too much on that pass. Here comes Tru Jucie now in possession. Pass inside. Nice pass here. Chance. Henry. Here comes Tru Jucie now. Can I get it? Oh, beautiful defending from the racing team. Good defending from the Racing United team. Corner here to Tru Jucie. Mackenzie whip that one in. Goalkeeper comes and claims. And the referee said, too close to the goalkeeper right there. And naturally, that tends to be a free kick. An infringement. Williams, Kyler Williams. Nice first touch. And soft touch here. And back, the referee said nothing more. Cool. Kidding you. Why don't find Basco, beautiful first touch from Basco. He's gonna shoot. Basco the shot! Oh my word! And a great pass to front post. And he's a player that I've known for a long time. And that's one of the first I've seen him hit one from out there like that. Doesn't really shoot. And apparently, when he do, comes off like that. Nice attempt there. Here comes Racing again. Shot from Rule. Rule is actually the left back. He's a bit high. Oh, he's actually Caden Young. My apologies. My apologies, Caden Young. Really, really busy since coming on. As we approach the 88th minute of the game. Play now. Here comes Mills. Michael Mills. Wedderburn goes long and too long, actually. As Noel Walker marshalled the ball out. Long throw down the line. Tussle here with Russell. Headman goes inside. Taken away. Here comes Johnson. Nice touch. And taken out. And that is definitely a foul. Yellow card again. And that's smart yellow card actually. Because 100% sure if that pass would have made, that final pass would have been made, we would certainly be looking at a 4-0 scoreline at this moment. Free kick here to Racing United. Ellis stands over it. Don't think we'll go directly at goal from this one. Take a shot. Here comes Cole. Referee said taken too quickly. I have to wait on the whistle. Back to Cole again. Ellis goes out wide. Basco whips it in to the back post. Another good delivery. Williams again. And referee said that is an handball. Clearance here by the goalkeeper as he boots this one down the line. Here comes Taylor. Ellis goes wide. Nice work from Bosco again. Nice work from Bosco. Beautiful pass in here from Racing United. Tru Jucie is under consistent pressure. Actually, I say constant pressure. Really, really dominant showing here from the Racing United team. Clearance here from Headman. As Ellis try with a trickery. Walters. Here comes. Really aggressive. I do apologize for the language that is spewing through the microphone. Not my intent, but just sometimes the nature of these games here in Jamaica. Colorful language. Many might say it is a culture. Nice pass here to Bashko with a first touch. Brilliant first touch. Tackled by Michael Mills. Here comes Edman. High press from Racing, still high press. Really intense press. Crossing the back post. Here comes Williams, and he clears it actually. Defensive duties for Tru Jucie by Williams. Clearance here. Tru Jucie can't get it themselves. They just can't. Not a day that they would want to remember. For sure. Boot down the line. Here comes Williams. Will he take it? Once it touches you. No one is out. Guided by Wedderburn. Cole goes inside to Johnson. Johnson look for Bosco, intercepted by Russell. Russell goes out wide to find Henry. There's Sean Henry. Honey Bikes. Look for support. Nice pass here to Russell. He's inside and he's taken down. Goes across. Chance here. Beautiful finish. Wonderful finish from Rose. Conroy Rose in a beautiful volley. And here he comes another rubble. Brilliant, brilliant finish here for Tru Jucie as they find back one. Is it a consolation? That's a brilliant finish, I have to say, people. Brilliant finish. Now, can we say a match is on? We don't know. We will see. Tru Jucie definitely not throwing in the towel. They are not giving up. Is this game dusted? Are done and dusted and already in the bag for Racing? We don't know. Here comes Racing. Tru Jucie still showing a lot of intent. Chip inside, straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. As he boots that one down the line. Bosco is there. Mills not allowing that one to drop. Taylor goes out wide to Rose. Here comes Rose. Taylor, Mackenzie, back to Rose. Here comes Edman with a shot. Henry inside the 18-yard box. Looking for a little bit of contact there. Here comes Taylor. Cole. Tackle from behind. Referee said that was illegal. This is definitely money well spent type of game. Unfortunately, scoreline is not really. Oh, good. That's a good attempt there. Not really in favor of. Connor Rose getting the cancellation for Tru Juice. Rose again. Here comes Williams. Oh my word! That was... What was that? Chance here. Oh my word! The supporters are definitely having a laugh at Rhodes. He went in for a 2-figure challenge and was left to dust. As one would say, get up and play some football. We have some people in the commentary box who is dying of laughter. I'm holding my own, actually. I'm really holding my own. That was really funny to see, though. That was really funny to see. That's one for the camera, actually. And that happened right in front of some fans. I'm telling you, the fans are giving it to him. That's one of the reasons why he took so long to get up. But back here, Basco always wide, always an option out wide. He's always inside that channel. Quite an intelligent player. Johnson goes out wide to Young. Young switches to the back post. Basco, good first touch from Basco. Cuts inside with a shot. Nice work there from Basco as Campbell couldn't hold on to that one. I thought he would have definitely hold on to that one. Goes up for a corner, Basco will take it. He has been very, very active since coming on. Cole here. Inside, 1-2 pass, and unfortunately, too heavy there. As Gray touched that one a little bit. Too much power. Here comes Henry. Switch here. Nice take. Good work there by Russell. On the lines. Look for support. Whips it in. That's a good delivery. Here comes Rose again. Rose again. The tangle here, both Rose and Matthias tangled. Goes to the goalkeeper. Nice work from the goalkeeper. Notice goes inside to Headman. Back to Notice. Support is here. Inside. Nice work. Here comes Weatherbird. Headman. Support is there. Headman takes the dribble. Headman looking for support. Here comes Weatherburn. Bit aggressive in that one. Henry to the back post. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper as he takes that one nicely. Shot off Jordan. Jonathan to foul. Long pass here. Basco takes it. Throw in for Tru Juice. Last 5 to 10 minutes has been predominantly Tru Juice, actually. Even though Racing have gotten their moments as well. Here comes Henry as he's taken down there. Missed kick by the defender. Goalkeeper Swearing takes that one nicely. Switch out wide. Weatherburn. Actually everywhere actually. Here comes Gray. Nice pass as Gray is getting behind. Here comes Campbell. Campbell. He pulls out of that one. Maybe he was not sure where it was, but he was certainly first for that one. Throwing here to Tru Juice. Headman. Oh, it's Mackenzie. Taken away there. And that was a bundle. I'm not sure what's going on there. A lot of kicking, flicking. That's certainly what some of us, me and my friends, are doing in the early Sunday morning football game. And a player is down. It seems to be Mackenzie. Referee said 5 minutes to be added on. 5 minutes to be added on, says the official. Free kick here as Russell stands over it. Can Tru Juice find another to soften the blow? Whipped inside. Not a bad delivery. Here comes Notice as he turns. Turns again. Goes out to Taylor. Taylor goes for a shot from way out. Wedderburn whips in. That's a good cross. Nice work from the goalkeeper. It was early to that one. Basco again. Here comes Tru Juice with a throw in. Taken away there. Quite a physical game. Here comes Walters. Goes out for a throw to Tru Juice. Way down to the corner flag. Tru Juice still pushing though. From they conceded that second goal, heads haven't dropped since then. Here comes Caden Young. Deshaun Henry. Here comes a chance. Taylor looks up for a shot. Whip change across. Nice work. Mackenzie goes for a shot to the far post. The Yellow Bridge stands strong, defending their clean sheet. Not giving Tru Juice any glimpse of hope. My apologies. The Tru Juice, the clean sheet was really taken earlier by Kanoi. Rose with that wonderful taken half volley. Here comes Young. Goes inside. Williams. Williams beat one as he takes Ty Wedderburn out of the equation. Williams, chance here. Will he go for a goal? And he did not go for a goal here. Not selfish. Ellis, time and space. Will he shoot? And he shoots. And Campbell dive a bit early. I'm not sure what happened there, but dive really early there. Seems a bit uncomfortable. Here comes Johnson. Whips it into the back post. That's a nice delivery. Edmund, full speed ahead. And yes, he kept it in as he goes up the line. Support is in the midfield. Here comes Taylor as he goes past one. Taken away by Mackenzie. Support is here to Headman. Headman goes inside. Good first touch. Taylor. Nice work from Taylor. Just a couple seconds left in this one. A goal here would definitely squeeze in the scoreline and give it a more refined look for Tru Juice. Notice. A chip to the back post. Here comes Basco now. Goes inside. Nice work from Basco. Really good work from Basco. And tackle there. And it goes on a harsh tackle, unfortunately. Doesn't seem as if he's okay now. It's Russell as he gets up. Moving around a bit gingerly. And I think the referee looks at his time. Certainly, we should be seeing or hearing the final whistle momentarily. Tru Juice again in the ascendancy. Pass, that's a nice pass. Here comes Williams. Goes inside. Will he shoot? Gray. Shot from Gray. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper as the referee looks at his watch. Still allowing time here. Pass inside. Here comes Mackenzie. Headman. Goes out wide. Mackenzie is here. Taylor still gets it. Goes out and referee put the whistle to his mouth. And that is it. Full time. It is Racing United 3, Tru Juice FC 1. Really, really good encounter here, I have to say. Brilliant, brilliant matchup. Both teams going at it, no team easing out. Last year, the fixture was a bit different. Yo, no. Tru Juice Football Club defense. It's full time here, people. It is Racing United 3, Tru Juice 1. Really, really good encounter as Racing United solidify themselves on the top of the table. Still in a strong position. Thank you very much, people, for joining. This is MG Sports TV. You are watching MG Sports TV. And certainly, live stream brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. Thank you very much, people, for joining again and tuning in. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you guys again. Stand by for the interviews, coach, and such forth. bother with the foolish man. Come in, man. One shot, 1 minute. Come in. Let's put on them. About man, come man. Come in. Nika Ellis, first of all, congratulations on the victory. How are you feeling?
Feeling great.
So far, team unbeaten so far this season. You're on captain for the team. How are you feeling about that?
No, we are starting. We're not a captain.
No man, one of the captain man. You're
Oh.
a captain figure of the team. Man. How are you feeling about that?
Feeling great for win the 3 points, to get the 3 points.
All right. So far, Racing United have been really dominant throughout this season. What's the training like for you guys to be so consistent on the pitch?
We train hard, we go chuck, and just that is it.
All right. Congratulations again here. Big up yourself. Big up.